Welcome to United Grinding North America. At United Grinding, we offer the best machines, innovative technology, and an excellent customer service. One of the biggest assets we have to offer to our customers is our experience and expertise to keep equipment in prime condition and extend its operational life. Hello, my name is Rafael Linan, and I'm part of United Grinding's customer care team. Today, I would like to show you some of the steps we cover during the preventive maintenance of our Walter Helitronic power machine. Machine maintenance is a cost-effective, smart way for you to be in control of your production outcome and the best way to succeed in the long term. It is critical to get your PM services carried out by an OEM trained technician. Our service expert will look into the heart of your machine and follow a detailed checklist with more than 200 steps and 50 inspection points. With me today is Brian Siever. Let's take a closer look at some of the mechanical checks of the PM on this Walter Helitronic power machine. This is an SL machine which was built right here in Miamisburg, Ohio. We start the service by doing a visual inspection and making sure there's no hazardous conditions. We measure the amount of backlash and deflection on the screws, using a pry bar to check deflection in the vertical axis. One of the key points in our PM service is the machine geometry check. We start by testing the A-axis condition. Once the concentricity of the holder is determined, our service technician checks the runout. High runout translates into wobbling tools, index issues, and other tool finish problems. We use a test arbor to check the geometry of A in reference to X and adjust the 0 point and center line when necessary. We check the parallelism of the Z-axis with a granite block. Common root causes for the Z-axis bad alignment is bad rails. Our technician will remove one of the shoes in the guide rails to check its condition, preload, and backlash. When Z-axis rails are worn, Y-axis leans forward. Running in this condition creates the need for adjustments in the tool program to compensate the machine alignment. The Y-casting position in the rails can be straightened during a PM to avoid premature wear of the ball screws. We change the oil in A and Z axis and check the preload. This is critical for the life of the gears. We also inspect the electrical cabinet, replace batteries, and check temperatures. Making sure all fans are working properly is key. A $10 fan can save you thousands. Our service technician will check the emergency stop circuit, the door locking devices, and will recalibrate the machine. Lastly, a detailed report with findings and recommendations will be handled to you. With this information, you can identify problems in their early stages, minimize downtime, and limit the cost of repairs. Preventive maintenance services ensure you get the best, most accurate, and repeatable results from the ongoing operation of your machine. United Grinding has service technicians stationed across North America who can perform these services and more on your United Grinding machines. Call us at 937-847-1234 or send us a note to customercare@grinding.com.